Suranache Kaap, a delicious, healthy Maharashtrian snack. It's crispy, flavorful, and perfect for side dish. Suran is a root vegetable, also known as yam or elephant root. First, apply some oil to hands. Now, peel it and cut it into thin slices. This thickness is a key for that perfect crispy outside and soft inside. Suran contains calcium oxalate crystals, which may cause itching sensation. So we apply kokum agar or tamarind all over and keep it aside for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add in salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chili for color. Coat well on both sides. Now take some semolina, add salt and red chili powder, mix it well. Coat suran slices in this on both sides. Fry them on a pan with little oil. Fry until crispy and golden on both sides. We can even air fry. It comes out so good. Do try this and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.